Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find the details of motherboard on Windows 11 or 10 PC using command prompt. For this, first click on the Start button and then type CMD. In the search results, click on this one command prompt entry. In the command prompt window, you need to type WMIC space baseboard space get space product comma manufacturer comma version comma serial number. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will display manufacturer, model number of the motherboard, serial number of the motherboard, and version of the motherboard. I will put this one command in this video description also. So in case you need it, you can copy it.